Hello, Ms. Buchanan's Algebra 1A class. I'm taking a look at your power rule worksheet that you guys were working on. The directions are to simplify, and your answer should contain only positive exponents. So let's take a look at this. What I'm going to do is take this and, there's two different directions I could have went with this. Is to just take this all and go underneath because it's a negative. So to get rid of that negative, I'm going to go 2x, and then I'm going to have the 3, and that's to the third power to get rid of the negative there, okay? Or when I, did 2 to the negative 3 power, I got 8x, and 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Put that underneath. You're going to end up in the same boat here at 1 over 8x to the 9th power. You're just, to get rid of that negative exponent, remember you put it down below and make it a denominator. All right, this one very easily, my notes here for this one is anything to the 0 power is going to equal 1. So this whole amount, you could have anything in here to the 0 power is going to equal 1. You could check that out in your calculator. I could pick, 99 to the 0 power. It equals, it's going to be 1, okay? Anything, any letter, anything, it's going to be equal to 1. And you could pause this as you need it. This one, I end up with, the 64v negative 6. In order to get that negative 6 taken care of, I'm going to go 1 over 64v6. Just put it down below into the denominator to get rid of the negative 6 value. This one is just straightforward. 3 to the third power is 27. P to the third power is going to be p to the third power. This one's pretty straightforward also. I'm going to have 27 n to the 9th power. 3 to the third power is 27. And 3 to the third power is 9. This one, I started to, I wanted to show you a step before I got to that. So this whole amount, I'm going to take it and throw it underneath, right? This n to the 0 is actually just 1, so 3 to the third power is 27, so the 27 stays down here. Okay. Same thing with this stuff, when I was, throwing it down here. That's why that 64 stays down there. So this whole amount actually goes down here first, okay? Then I take care of 4 to the third power is 64. 3 times 2 is 6, because this whole amount has to go underneath, okay? Then same thing, I was just writing a note for me to show the exponent rule. This whole amount goes underneath, okay? Now, this is on the wrong side, so in order for me to get rid of this negative 3 to the n, this n to the negative 3, I take the n to the negative 3 and put it above to change that negative exponent to a positive. So now I have n to the third power over 4. And here I have 3 to the second power is 9. And then I have 4 times 2 is 8, so it's pretty much a straightforward one for number 15. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you, and good luck with the rest of it. And go ahead and make mistakes on it, don't worry about it. If you need some help, a nice website to go to would be Symbolab. If you go to Symbolab, you could type in, here's that last one, you just type it in, and you could use their, you type in the parentheses and the amount, and then it'll kind of take you through, it will, not kind of, it definitely will take you through the steps, which is nice if you're having difficulty with these. And then you can use the Symbolab, once again, and you look up exponent calculator. And pick the one that's Symbolab. After you do a search for exponent calculator, pick Symbolab. Plug these in, shows you the steps if you're having a lot of difficulty and you can't get to me. Okay, good luck.